Hey guys, Jeff Weibel here. I just got a video from my contractor and it is great because this is a raw real estate video of what I get, updates on my property. And one of the mistakes that real estate investors are making, I see it. They like book airplane tickets, they put on their suits, they rent Lamborghinis, they go drive out to their properties, make a big show of it. But really, real estate investors, you don't have to go to your properties all the time. And what I do is I get my contractor to send me a video of the unit. So this is a raw video attached to this YouTube video right here of a walkthrough that my contractor is sending me. He sends these to me all the time. It just takes him a minute or so. And what it does is let me see it without having to go there. This property is an hour away, so it doesn't matter if I'm hanging out in England or wherever. If I'm at my home, I can see this and I don't have to like go there. So don't go to your properties all the time. Use technology to go see it. And when you're just renovating, practically the same thing every single time because you're a sophisticated real estate investor, that's all you need. So check this out. It's a raw video that my contractor sent me and I think you guys will enjoy.
This is an update video of Unit 108. All the ceilings have been strapped so pot lights could be added throughout the kitchen and living room area, as well as the hallway leading to the bedrooms. There was a closet. Immediately upon entering this unit, we tore out the closet and framed up a new 2x4 wall on this outside wall of the unit so that plumbing and electrical could be added throughout this area. Our kitchen sink is going right here where the plumbing lines are coming out. Our dishwasher is going right beside it. Cabinets are going to follow along. And our stove will go in the corner here. And our fridge is going to go right here with our stackable washer and dryer, which are going in this laundry room area here that houses the hot water tank as well. As has been done in previous units, there's going to be an island right here. We tore out the walls that were dividing the kitchen area from the living area, which again, as in other units, will open up this entire area for kitchen and living space. We've also framed this wall, as all the walls behind the drywall are concrete, so running the electrical was much easier and cheaper if we framed up a wall. All the rough-ins for the pot lights have been done, and all wiring rough-ins have been done as well. And everything has been inspected and passed by the local inspector, and we are ready to finish the drywall. All the drywall has been purchased and is on site and will be installed today. Plumbing in this bathroom, as previously shown in other videos, we have busted up the entire floor of the bathroom and changed the layout that you guys approved a few months ago, but we've pulled out of this building for the last 2 months to finish other projects in Chatham and in London. New vanity's going to go here, toilet, and tub and shower on the end. Pot light in the shower, new bath fan, and vanity light. Floor was also busted up right through this area to add the laundry room in here as well, along with wiring that was ran through the ceiling and down for our stackable units, dryer plug and washer plug. New panel has been put in, complete with rewiring of the new panel, and this ceiling area has been strapped in here as well so that we could add proper lighting throughout this unit. Bedroom ceilings have been strapped and boarded along with their first coat of mud. Walls in this unit have been primed in the bedroom areas. This is a 2-bedroom unit. Again, has been mudded. Original flooring that was in here has been removed. This laminate flooring will stay, and we will put our new vinyl flooring right over top.
So that's all it is. It's a quick little update video from my contractors. I get that pretty much per unit, and you can see the progress. So that was obviously needed a lot of work to happen still, but he's kind of walking me through it. And I'll see the finished products as well. And then I can use that also as my social media. So I'm not even actually going to the properties a lot. I'm just doing that. That's how I can spend a lot of time at home, and we will see you guys on my next video. Bye.